Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Install Visual Studio Code and add the remote SSH extension on your PC. This is the bridge. On the phone, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the PC can reach it. Then, in Termux, install OpenSSH and start an SSH server listening on port 8022. Once done, confirm the SSH process is running. This creates the server that VS Code will attach to via a forwarded port. Next, connect the phone by USB and use a DB to confirm communication. Run a DB devices and ensure your phone appears. Then forward the SSH port with a DB forward TCP, 8022 TCP, 8022 so your PC's local host, 8022 maps to the phone's SSH. In VS Code, open the remote SSH command and add a host like SSH user at localhost P8022. You'll be prompted for the password or key. Once connected, VS Code will install its server on the phone and open a remote workspace. Finally, open Remote Explorer and choose the new localhost, 8022 host, then select or create a folder on the phone to edit. For smoother logins, copy your SSH public key into Termux's // authorized keys and set proper permissions. When the remote server finishes installing, you can run terminals and extensions as if local. If things go wrong, make sure USB debugging remains enabled. A DB shows the device, and the SSH server is running. Rerun a DB forward and restart Termux if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.